Day one, the seed is just in the soil, so I decided to make a little experiment. So the first half is going to be covered with this plastic canvas to just create this type of effect you might find in the glass house, and this half is going to be widely opened and will be getting quite regular water morning and before night. And let's see which one comes first with the grass. All right, so as you can see, small seeds there, so they are all planted, and now it's just the race of which one is gonna be the fast, the left open or the one covered by the plastic canvas. All right, see you soon.